Today I want to share with you guys some field trip must-haves for your homeschool. Hey guys, Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share with you guys some things that I bought this homeschooling year to take with us on our field trips and make field trips a lot easier. So I just made a playlist here. It's a field trip idea playlist because we have a lot of trips planned this upcoming school year. So most of those trips are going to be here in Florida, but we do have a trip planned to Philadelphia coming up and one to Georgia. And so there will be a couple of other trips other places, but right now you can find a St. Augustine video up there. You can find Cracker Country. You can even find Kennedy Space Center field trip up there. So tons of things that we've done already over the years. So make sure you guys check out that playlist here. But today I just want to share with you guys some of the things that I bought. This will be a really quick video to make these outings a lot easier for myself and for my kids. So I did get my kids some backpacks. This one's cute because it has my daughter's name in it. It comes with all the little letters and you can put their name inside of it. And I got these backpacks. This one's for my son because we go to a homeschool co-op and sometimes we're going to be doing homeschooling on the go. Maybe on the way to field trips, or if the weather's nice, we're going to be able to go and take our school with us, maybe to the library or something like that. And I also got my little one a smaller backpack for those days where she just wants to go on a play date, or we're going to co-op again and she wants to pack toys. She doesn't have to carry the giant backpack. She can just carry this little one and bring her toys with her. So going along with our homeschool days and our field trip days, I got this really cute cooler that I found at Home Goods. And I love the colors. My color scheme, it's my YouTube channel color scheme and everything. And the reason why I'm showing this to you guys is because I also have a playlist that I just created on homeschooling field trips. And I was looking for that spoon in here. There's a little pocket in here. In that playlist, I'm going to be showing you all the ideas for homeschool field trips in Florida that we have. So I also got these toilet seat covers for my 5-year-old because sometimes during on the way to field trips and things like that, some of these toilets are gross. And so this covers the entire toilet seat. I'm going to link those too. So this has side pockets. I have side pocket here, and then I have plenty of space inside. And in here I'm also going to show you the lunch containers that we got for our co-ops and field trip days. So I just got a bento cube, which has a little container here for fruits or vegetables or sauce. And these come out, so there's compartments inside. And then for each of my kids, I got different colors. I have green and gray and purple, and these are Kinsho boxes, which are cheaper than bento boxes. And these stack nicely in this cooler, and it also leaves room if I want to add ice or if I want to add soda. And it also has a handle so I can drag it around with me, and it has wheels on the bottom. So I also bought some antiseptic hand wipes that I like to keep in the car so that after a trip or an outing my kids get hungry, I can just have them wipe their hands well with these antiseptic wipes. So now I'm taking you out to my car to show you what else I use for field trips, and it's just another thing that I use in the trunk of my car. Okay, so in the trunk of my car, when I drove, I do keep these chairs and a blanket in here so that we can sit down for lunch. But I bought this bin, and it has different compartments. I have our beach toys here, we live in Florida, our movies, and different things in here. So it's a compartment with 3 different cubes, and I can just slide it and put it wherever I want. And it keeps the car organized. You can put your school supplies in there if you're homeschooling, if you're going, like I said, to the beach, if you're going on any field trips. I keep paper towels in here. I have cups. I have those toilet covers I have. For some reason I have rolled toilet paper. I think that was for somebody to blow their nose because we ran out of tissues. I have forks and stuff and different things just in case we need it. And I still have to get my kids their own water jug, but for right now I fill up this giant water jug, and we take this with us and we share from it right now. It can hold about 6 cups, 7 cups of water, and it keeps it cold all day. And the last thing I want to show you guys is I got this little purse. So when I'm going on field trips and outings and co-op, I don't like carrying my big purse everywhere with me. So I just slide my phone in here, my credit cards, any cash I have, my chapstick, my mints, and I can put this over my shoulder, or I can put it across my chest, or even across to my back. So that's definitely a must-have, unless you want to, and because sometimes I don't feel like carrying a whole backpack either. I don't have little tiny kids anymore. I don't need a lot of stuff, so I would carry this with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be making another haul and some more, tons of videos, guys, for you guys, especially when I move. We're still in the process of moving, and once we do, you'll get a new homeschool tour and day in the life videos and all of that. So make sure you guys don't go anywhere. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next video.